Hey everybody, so here's my AMG E55 and it's a 04 supercharged, so I'm running into a problem with the alarm. Siren is not working. It was not going off or on or going wild like some people say. Anyways, so the alarm located, let's go back to, it's gonna be on the driver's side. So it's gonna be on the driver's side behind the, you're gonna have to take the wheel off, and then right here you're gonna have to take that wheel hub cover off as well, and the alarm will sit right here in that corner behind that little rocket, just like something like that. So the wire will run to it with that plug. You just screwdriver a little bit, pry the plug and slowly pull it out, then with the prior take the, and right here will be the torque, the holding that siren inside the metal box. I don't know if you can see the zoom. So the main issue with that stuff is basically the drain lines. The drain line draining right on that siren all the life of the car. So I do know that those drains giving me problem on the sunroof as well. Just gonna take a look on that later. But anyways, back to the story. So you cannot open it basically. That piece count one piece like that. That's how it look. That's where the torque will come, and that's basically your ground as well. Then the plug will come right here, and then you will have, that's basically the siren. Sorry for the secret. So I said, you know what the hell, I anyways have to replace it. I want to see what's the problem, what caused it. So I cut it open. Slowly, nicely, half and half. I mean, you can still reuse the housing probably, and the siren itself, I'm pretty sure it's still working, because the siren have nothing but the magnet, which is like that part in here, the condenser. So here you go. That's what inside, and that's how it look, like completely corroded, oxidated, and that's the reason why it doesn't work. I'll go ahead, try to clean it, see if it's gonna help, and wish me luck. Anyways, if it helps somebody why your alarm doesn't work, that's probably the reason.